This question, there's a triangle given, there's an angle given, angle B, side C is given, and side B is given. How am I assigning side C and side B? Because side opposite to angle C is side C. So this is C and this is small b, because this is opposite to B, and definitely this is A. So what do we have to find? We have to use the law of sines and the other properties to find angle C, angle A, and BC. So let's use the law of sines. So law of sines will be one opposite set which we know is of B. So definitely we are going to use B. So I'm going to write that B over sine B is equal to, now another opposite set I'm going to take for C, because I know side C, I don't know angle C. So I'm going to write C over sine C. So a little bit of rearrangement. I want to isolate sine C because I want to find sine C. So if you cross multiply, sine C will become C sine B over B. C sine B over B. Let's substitute all the values. C is 15.3. B is 146.1. Over side B is 33.2. So this is the value of sine of C. So what is the angle C from here which we are getting? Let me just grab my calculator over here. So that's sine of 146.1 times 15.3 over 33.2, which is coming as 0.25. The sine inverse of this value is coming as 14.89 degrees up to 2 decimal places. Definitely one of the angle will also come in quadrant 2, because sine is also positive in quadrant 2. But would that make any sense? Because okay, I'm going to write that value first, because that's coming as 180 minus this value, which is 165.11. But in a triangle, one of the angle is already obtuse, angle B. So another angle cannot be obtuse, because then the sum of all the three angles of a triangle has to be 180 will defeat, and we have to make sure that that doesn't happen. So only one triangle can be obtuse, the other cannot be obtuse. So we are going to reject it, and this is the final measure of angle C. If this is the measure of angle C, then definitely angle A is something which is easy to find now, because angle A is going to be 180 minus the sum of other two angles, which is angle B and angle C. This will become 180 minus angle B, which is 146.1, and angle C is 14.89. So let me just grab my calculator once again. That is plus 146.1, and 180 minus this value is coming as 19 degrees. 19 degrees, or 19.00 up to 2 decimal places. There's the value of angle A. And finally, we need to find the value of side A. For that, we are again going to use uh, uh, law of sines. So in this time, we are going to take the ratio having A as well, because we need to find side A. So we are going to write B over sine B is equal to A over sine A. What is B? Side B is 33.2. 33.2 over sine of B, which is 146.1, is A is the unknown quantity and angle A is 19. So a little bit of rearrangement will give us A is equal to 33.2 times sine of 19 degrees over sine of 146.1 degrees. So this value is coming as sine of 19 times 33.2 over sine of 146.1. So this value of side A is coming as 19.38 up to 2 decimal places, and the unit is definitely centimeters, because all the other sides are also in centimeters. So this is the required answer. Thank you.